The Power of Words, Understanding Chants of Gratitude. Hello, and welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're diving into a beautiful expression that carries a lot of emotion and cultural significance. Chants of Gratitude. This phrase is not just about saying thank you. It's about expressing deep appreciation and thanks through a unique form of vocal expression. Let's explore what makes this phrase so special and how you can use it in your daily English communication. Chants of Gratitude combines two powerful words, chants and gratitude. Chants are repetitive songs or melodies that carry a message. They are often used in religious or spiritual practices but can also be part of cultural traditions and protests. Gratitude, on the other hand, is the feeling of being thankful and appreciative. When we put these words together, we get a phrase that describes expressing thankfulness through a musical or rhythmic form. Chants have been a part of human culture for thousands of years. They have the power to unite people, convey deep emotions, and even bring about healing and peace. Chants are not just about the words. They're about the energy and intention behind them. When chants are used to express gratitude, they become a powerful way to show appreciation, respect, and love. You might not find yourself literally singing chants of gratitude in your everyday life, but understanding this phrase can help you appreciate the depth of expressing thanks. Here are a few ways you can embody the spirit of chants of gratitude. In writing, use the phrase to describe moments of collective thankfulness or to highlight the beauty of a gratitude practice in a story or article. Verbally, share your knowledge about the phrase in conversations, especially when discussing cultural practices, music, or expressions of thanks. Emotionally, embrace the feeling behind the phrase by finding your own ways to express deep gratitude. Whether through music, art, or simply by saying, "Thank you," with heartfelt sincerity. Chants of Gratitude is more than just a phrase. It's a reminder of the power of expressing thanks in a profound and communal way. Whether through music, words, or actions, embodying gratitude can enrich our lives and the lives of those around us. We hope this video has inspired you to explore the depths of gratitude in your own life and to appreciate the beauty of expressing thanks in all its forms. Thank you for joining us, and remember, every day is an opportunity to express gratitude in your own unique way.